Meanwhile, new at 6, assessing Memphis's response to the severe and historic storms that hit the Mid-South. Memphis saw no shortage of flash flooding either. High winds also hitting the city at times. WREG's Shay Arthur spoke with the city's Public Works Director and MLGW CEO about the response.
Dramatic images of main Memphis roads filled with water, even parts of the interstate becoming submerged. Some neighborhood streets swallowed up as parts of Memphis saw 14 inches of rain in 4 days. Drains pushed to capacity. This manhole downtown overflowing.
We did very well as a whole. I mean, the city had over 600 flooding complaints since, starting Wednesday night. 120 down trees were responded to,
Scott Morgan, director of Public Works for the city of Memphis, says much of the flooding seen in the city was caused by clogged inlets. Telling us crews cleared as much debris as they could before the several rounds of storms hit.
Some of the drainage system, throughout the city, it's not designed to handle a storm event that large. And unfortunately, it's just too much water for the system to handle.
As far as sewage overflow, which can happen in these heavy rain situations,
we did have some reported backups in basements. There are some homes in Memphis that have basements, which is kind of the lower spot of the system.
He says the data is still being accumulated.
I will say the good thing for Memphis, we do have a separate storm drainage system and sewer system.
As for the power, MLGW says there were hundreds of people working around the clock on the storm. CEO and President Doug McGowan says it's not just chance that allowed his agency to have a relatively good response to the storms.
I think the message here is the investments that we are making in our system are paying off. The significant amount of tree trimming that we have done has certainly improved the reliability and resilience of our system.
For your news leader, Shay Arthur, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, trying to learn from this disaster, and MLGW and the city of Memphis says they are still calculating to see how much responding to the severe weather actually cost them. They will then look to see if they'll be eligible for any state or federal funds.